Have you ever felt that nagging heaviness in your stomach? That fatigue that just won't shake off? Or that occasional fog that clouds your mind? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Many of us lead busy lives, juggling work, family, and social obligations, often neglecting one crucial organ that plays a vital role in our overall health: the liver. Today, I want to talk to you about how you can clean and repair your liver in just 5 days. Yes, you heard me right. 5 days. First, let's understand why this is important. The liver is our body's detox powerhouse. It processes everything we eat and drink, filters out toxins, and helps in digestion. But with the fast-paced lifestyle we lead, filled with processed foods, alcohol, and stress, our liver can become overworked and sluggish. Symptoms like fatigue, bloating, and even skin issues can be signs that your liver is crying out for some TLC. So, how do we give it that much needed love? Day 1 is all about hydration. Water is your best friend. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. But let's not stop there. Incorporate some lemon juice into your water. Why lemon? It's packed with vitamin C, which helps detoxify the liver and supports its function. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water. Trust me, it's refreshing and sets a positive tone for the day. On day 2, let's focus on what we eat. It's time to ditch the processed foods and embrace whole, nutrient-dense options. Think leafy greens, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower, and colorful fruits. These foods are not only delicious, but also rich in antioxidants that help protect the liver from damage. You can whip up a vibrant salad or a hearty vegetable stir-fry. It's all about fueling your body with what it needs to thrive. Now, on to day 3, where we introduce some amazing liver-supporting foods. Enter beets and turmeric. Beets are fantastic for liver detoxification, while turmeric contains curcumin, known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Try adding roasted beets to your salads or blending them into smoothies. And don't forget to sprinkle turmeric on your dishes or brew a cup of golden milk. Your liver will thank you. Day 4 is all about movement. Physical activity is crucial for liver health. It doesn't have to be an intense workout. Even a brisk walk can do wonders. Aim for at least 30 minutes of movement. When you exercise, your body releases toxins through sweat, and that's a win-win for your liver. Plus, it boosts your mood and energy levels, making you feel more vibrant. Finally, on day 5, let's talk about rest and mindfulness. Stress can have a significant impact on liver health, so it's essential to incorporate some relaxation techniques. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or simply taking a moment to breathe deeply, find what works for you. Prioritize sleep too. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest. Your body does most of its repair work while you sleep, and that includes your liver. So, there you have it. In just 5 days, you can start to clean and repair your liver. Hydration, nutritious foods, physical activity, and mindfulness are the keys to unlocking better liver health. Remember, it's not just about these 5 days. It's about creating habits that support your well-being in the long run. Your liver is a silent warrior, working hard every day. Let's give it the care it deserves, and you'll feel the difference in no time. Here's to a healthier, happier you.